So there really isn't a huge amount of time now between now and the exam. The first physics exam is May the 20th, and at the time of making the video, the date of making the video, February 22nd, that's just 11 weeks away. So the question is, do you have a plan in place? Do you have a sort of program of regular exam question practice where you can develop your capabilities and really prepare towards the highest grades in A-level physics? The danger would be if you now just drift between now and Easter and then make some notes over Easter and then start to look at some past papers, perhaps going into the end of April. It's really just going to be too late. So I do recommend regular and sustained exam question practice and feedback. If you're doing this on your own, then you can pull off past papers and you can use the examiner mark schemes for the feedback, and you would need to be, for every question, you'd need to be looking closely at what it was you got right, and also particularly where the gaps are, so what you didn't get and what was it about that question that you didn't fully understand, or why didn't you write down what was needed. And going through that process is really important because you will be learning the methods of the exam and the approaches that are needed and what's required for each type of question in the exam. To help support students with that, I have group classes running for Year 13 students, and you would be welcome to join any of my classes. There is a space at least in each of the classes focusing on exam question practice and supported feedback between now and your exam, with weekly classes running for each group. You would accelerate the process and that would help you to achieve your highest grade in the forthcoming exams. So in terms of the groups that I'm running, I have groups on a Wednesday at 7 p.m. That's covering Year 12 core topics. Remember, this is for Year 13 students. I have a group at 5 p.m. on Thursday and Saturday at 10 a.m. Both of those classes are covering Year 13 core topics, but different topics in each class. So you could potentially join one of the classes, or even 2 or 3 of the classes, if you really wanted to accelerate your progress between now and the exams. Anyway, if you might be interested in the class, then please do get in touch. I'd be happy to provide you with some more information. Anyway, so from quite a cloudy Sheffield today, it's bye for now.